Welcome everyone. This is Rajesh Singh. In this video, you will be reading Two Gentlemen of Verona Summary, one of the famous works of the author A.J. Cronion. The title of the story is inspired by William Shakespeare's play. It is the story of two selfless, sincere, and young boys and of their hardship they face for the medical treatment of their sister. She is suffering from tuberculosis. The story is attention grabbing. It emphasizes the importance of selfless love and sacrifices that keep a relationship strong. In other words, it says that these two attributes are vital for humanity. In the story, Nicola and Jacopo, the two boys, show tremendous courage and determination. They have sense of responsibility and emotional strength which makes them face the hardship irrespective of their extreme poverty. So, let's start the summary. The narrator, who is a very sensitive and kind person, is driving down towards the foothills of the Alps with his driver. On the outskirts of Verona, he meets Nicola and Jacopo selling wild strawberries. Nicola is 13 years of age and Jacopo is 12 years of age, and both are brothers. The two young boys are in shabby clothes, thus the driver is not interested in buying the strawberries from them. But in spite of that, the narrator buys the biggest basket from them and drives towards the town. Next morning, the narrator and his driver again finds the boy doing the shoe shining work. The narrator, being amazed, asks them and finds out that they do a lot many things to earn a living. They also tell them that they work as guides. Thus the narrator asks them to show them Juliet's tomb. Here the narrator feels that they are sincere, innocent, pleasant, earnest, and honest young boys. Also, they were ready to help the narrator in all ways. On one night, the narrator finds the boy selling newspapers. He could not stop himself from asking them, why are they working so hard? Nicola tells him that there is some need, but he does not elaborate. While Jacopo requests him to drop them to the village Poletta in his car. The narrator being agrees to drop them to the village that is around 30 kilometers away. After reaching the village, the boys ask the narrator to wait for them for an hour, but he could not resist his curiosity and follows the boys. To his surprise, the narrator finds out that the boys have gone to a hospital. In spite of being reluctant to go inside, he sees the boy talking to a girl resembling them. He thus decides to find out what is happening from the nurse. She tells him that the girl's name is Lucia and she is their sister. Their father, who was a widower, was killed in a war. Their home was destroyed by the bomb and they were left to the starve. The boys hated the Germans as they came to rule the village and also joined the resistance movement against them. After the war ended, Lucia got ill with tuberculosis. Thus, they had to admit her to the hospital. Hence, they work hard in order to pay for all the hospital bills. The story ends with the narrator waiting outside the hospital room and saying nothing so as to not give them the impressions them that they knew their secret. Now let me say few sentences in regarding conclusion. Friends, the story teaches us the virtues of honesty, sincerity, courage, determination, and sacrifice that are vital to the existence of humanity. Thank you, friends, for watching this video. See you again. Bye.